Hi everyone and welcome back. This is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to add product tabs in Shopify. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description below that you can use to access Shopify first month for just $1. So make sure to give it a try. It is something that you should not miss out. Now there's also a link that you can use to donate to our channel as well. Jumping over to the video, we can see we have two different methods. So the first one is Shopify have some of the themes that have integrated tabs customization option, and you can use that. And some Shopify themes have built-in tab functionality which can help you create some tabs. And if you cannot find that onto your theme that you are working on with, so what you can do is you can simply add your own tabs, and that is going to be requiring some of the development and coding skills. So as you can see, we have some CSS script in here that we can utilize, and to make tabs look more properly, you should add some CSS styling and themes to CSS filing as well. So you can see everything is available in here that you can possibly be needing. So you can simply copy this out and try to go with this, and maybe you will be getting your um, tabs developed by yourself. So it is going to be, of course, free of charge, and flexible tab creation process is also going to be offered. So yeah, that is how you can add product tabs in Shopify. I hope this was helpful. If it was, you can consider subscribing to our channel and head over to the link in the description to access first month on Shopify for just $1. Also, you can donate using the link below. Thank you so much, and see you guys around in the next video.